working hard. We stand united. You said until November, we will bring this country to a different direction, and we hope that the Haitian community leads the way. And that's what.
I defend your right to be an Indian. How do you like that?
You defend my right to what? Well, you defend my right to what, bitch?
I